guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry I've been gone too long. It's been probably about a month or two since I last filmed my other video on my channel, and that was basically me cleaning my messy room. Now I'm here and it's October 1st when I'm filming this. Hopefully this will be up by Monday, if not beginning of the first week of October. But how have you guys been doing? I missed you guys so much. All 26 of you guys. I'm not entirely sure, but I missed you guys and I'm so ready to film more content for you like this FabFitFun unboxing. It's a little beat up and there's like water right there or something, but you can see that it went through it a lot. My FabFitFun fall box. That's what we're gonna be doing today, just going over what's inside, what I picked out, and yeah, because it's October and I need to make fall content. So if you guys want me to do any fall related videos, just leave them down in the comments below and I will try to curate a video because I want to do lots of fall content. How many times am I gonna say fall in this video? Someone count. All right, with that being said, please hit the subscribe button and push the notification bell so you guys get notified when I upload next. And of course, like this video, give it a big thumbs up for me. And comment what fall activity you're excited for. I'm pretty excited for like fall like festivals around my town. I think that's really cute. With that being said, let's open up the FabFitFun fall box. Woo! I'm filming this video out in my kitchen, living room area, so hopefully it's good lighting, I'm not sure. Obviously, when you first get it, you get all these like newspapers and like stuff in here. Yeah, nothing else to really say. So the first thing I got is this blanket. It's this throw blanket. I have yet to open it. But when I was curating my box, I thought it was perfect to pick this because blankets just go with fall. I don't know. And it's like a pretty green, I want to say like olive or army green color, and it's a waffle blanket. I didn't even get to open this because I was saving it for the video. So let's see how it looks. Who wouldn't want a fall blanket? Okay, this is cute, but it's just a regular blanket. Oh, and don't mind me, I'm wearing my pajamas. I don't really care. So I would rate this a 10 out of 10, obviously, because I got it and it was the first pick of my fall box. So yep, this is probably my favorite thing. Actually, my second favorite thing. There's one thing in there I really like. I'm just gonna pull stuff out of here. There's no specific order. A box. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with this. Like this tier thing. So there's 3 different slots you can like put your jewelry in. I might just lay it out on my desk or like dresser and put some earrings or bracelets in here. A cute like decorative piece, decor piece, so yeah, nothing really to say about this. I'll rate it 5 out of 10. Next is not really fall related. It's a jump rope. I don't know, I just feel like I need a jump rope in my life. A good quality jump rope. See, very cute. Like it. Basically just a jump rope. Just because I'm working out more at college, so when I come home, I can do this. I don't know. Next thing, I think these are socks. Yep, boot socks. Fall is superior with those like socks coming out of the boots, and I love that like for fall and winter. So I got the boot socks and there's 2 pairs in here. Oh my gosh, they're stuck together. See, they're cute. I got a gray pair, very cute. And then a black pair. Very cute. You really need high socks for the fall time since it does get cooler out, so love that. Ooh, this is what I'm really excited about. It's the Pure Lee's Pumpkin and Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. I could not say that right. Look at the packaging first. Isn't that so fall, autumn festive? I love this. This is what it looks like. Very fall festive. Let's give it a sniff. Yeah, that smells like pumpkin. That smells like pumpkin and ginger. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. It's not really orange. Here, I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's more of a cream color. I don't know if you guys can even see that. Is it even focusing? I have no idea. But you can tell it's just a cream color. Wait, I forgot to rate the ropes and the jump rope and the socks. Jump rope, I give it 8 out of 10. Socks, I give it 10 out of 10. All right, back to this. 10 out of 10 as well. Okay, sorry, my camera died. Don't know what else I said or what I didn't finish, but moving on. Okay, next thing is from Earth Harbor. I think this is like a serum. It's Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening. I'm not even gonna say that word, what it is. I have one of this already. I think I got it in the FabFitFun box and I don't really like it. I don't know, it just doesn't make my skin good at all. So 2 out of 10 just because it hurts my skin. So I think these are, I I'm gonna go to the next thing that I love. So I had the option to pick the Coach necklace and earring set. So that is what I picked, and it came in this cute little bag. So it's like a gold set, and it is adorable. Actually, it would look good with the sweater I have on right now. I think this is very fall festive. I own nothing of Coach, so this is very nice that I have something from there. And then this, I think, is a freebie with something else that was not in there. It was like a, I want to say like seltzer or soda was in there, but I think one of my family members drank it because I do not like carbonation. So this is just a freebie. This is the Dove Advanced Care Dry Spray. What is this? Oh, it's deodorant. It's a deodorant spray. Came in this cute little spray bottle. I'm gonna open this up. Whoa! Smells good. And then the last thing out of my FabFitFun fall box is this eco-friendly comb set. Is this Amanda proof or something? Finally got it. That took like a minute. All right, so this is what I got. A cute little comb, and then this cool brush. And then you can go whoop with your hairline. So I think these are really cute. I love the colors too. Really pretty. And is that it? That is literally it, and I made a mess. Unboxing everything. Oops. This is why I did it out in my kitchen, so. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed my FabFitFun fall unboxing and review. Wait, 8 out of 10. I always forget the numbers. And then 10 out of 10. Damn, I am not good at this YouTube stuff right now. So I apologize for not uploading consistently. I will try to do that. It's just college is so annoying and just makes me too busy. So I can't even focus on YouTube. With that being said, I hope you guys have a good one. Please give this a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Remember, God is good. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.